lad. What's that? I want to watch Candyman. So awesome.
How do you know you've never seen it?
Huh?
You've never seen it?
Candyman. I've seen the trailer on YouTube. So I wanted to see what Candyman really looks like, and it came up with a trailer. So I watched it, and it was awesome. Hey look, that kid, that one's there. It's just like, I want to watch Candyman. Oh, he's quick. Watch how quick he is. Jesus! Oh, Wayne William Johnson dog is so funny. Has loads of puppies.
Oh, where do you think you're going?
That was sneaky.
Harrison.
That was a sneaky one.
Little
It's like-
escapee.
Sneakily.
We need something bigger.
Huh?
We need something
So they
bigger.
might be able to call over that now.
No, because that goes... Who are you barking at?
You?
I know.